lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachael here. I hope you guys are doing very well. Today I'm going to show you how I moisturize my protective styles. Last week I mentioned I was going to do a separate video on how you can moisturize your hair having them on protective styles. If you missed out my video last week, I will leave the link up here so you can check it out. Okay guys, let's jump into the video. So this is the liquid I will be using. It's a DIY liquid made by me. I will share it with you guys how this is going, because I like trying things on my hair first before I share it with you guys. So you're gonna put your hair into sections as you can see me doing here. Then I will go ahead and start spraying. I will spray my scalp and my hair. What I didn't spray all the entire protective styles because it is very long. I sprayed my roots to where my hair is. Then after I sprayed my hair, I will go ahead and use my cream, my moisturizing cream. I will be using the Moisturize Shea Hair Butter for this particular tutorial, and I will also use some of my formulated oils. Don't worry guys, I will be updating you how this is going, okay? You just stay and watch. So as I said, I'm just gonna I will take my Shea hair butter. I will rub it through my hand and start pressing it in my hair as you can see me doing. So this is very important by keeping your protective styles moisturized, especially in the winter, because in the winter our hair gets more dry than it is in the summer, and your hair tends to freeze very quick, and so you want to really moisturize your hair. So this is the oil I'll be using. I did two different type of oils. This is the Cillian, and I will be using the other one for my scalp. Okay, this is a totally separated oil, okay, because it is very important to seal your hair after you moisturize, because we're gonna seal the butter and the liquid we just used to spray our hair. We're gonna seal that in to keep our hair moisturized. So now you can see me. I am sealing this Shea hair butter, and now this is the oil, the separate oil I did for my scalp. So I'm just gonna put that into my scalp and I will massage it, okay? If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, also turn your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. Welcome to the family. So guys, this is it. It is so simple, and it's very, very important to keep your protective styles moisturized, okay? Because this will also help your hair to break less, because sometimes when we have protective styles on, when we don't moisturize them, after you take out your protective styles, you will find out that you lost a lot of hair. This is because you didn't keep your hair moisturized when you had them on protective styles. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family, and do stay tuned for my coming video, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.